How do I check my car's tire pressure? Checking your car's tire pressure is a straightforward task that you can easily perform yourself. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. What you'll need: tire pressure gauge, digital or analog. Air compressor optional, in case you need to add air. Your vehicle's recommended tire pressure found in the owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Step-by-step process. Park your car. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is turned off. Locate the valve stem. Each tire has a valve stem that you can use to check the tire pressure. It's a small, usually black or silver, cylindrical component sticking out from the wheel. Remove the valve cap. Unscrew the valve cap from the valve stem. Set it aside in a safe place, as you'll need to put it back later. Use the tire pressure gauge. Press the tire pressure gauge firmly onto the valve stem. You should hear a brief hissing sound, and the gauge will display the current tire pressure reading. Check the tire pressure. Compare the measured tire pressure to the recommended tire pressure specified for your vehicle. This information is usually found in the owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Note that the front and rear tires may have different recommended pressures. Adjust the pressure if needed. If the tire pressure is too low, you'll need to add air using an air compressor at a gas station or another air source. If the pressure is too high, you can release air by pressing down on the center pin in the valve stem gently. Recheck the tire pressure. After adding or releasing air, recheck the tire pressure with the gauge to ensure it matches the recommended pressure. Repeat for all tires. Repeat the process for each tire, including the spare tire if applicable. Replace the valve caps. Once you've checked all the tires and adjusted the pressure as needed, securely screw the valve caps back onto the valve stems to keep out dirt and moisture. Keep a regular schedule. It's essential to check your tire pressure regularly, ideally once a month or before long trips. Proper tire pressure contributes to better fuel efficiency, tire longevity, and improved safety. By following these steps, you can ensure that your car's tires are properly inflated, which promotes better driving performance and safety on the road.